Varqá is one of the luminaries of the Baha'i Faith, who was an apostle of Baha'u'llah, who in the end laid down his life in the path of the faith. Varqá, who was one of Baha'u'llah's most devoted apostles, has told the story that on one occasion a thought entered into his mind as he gazed in adoration upon the countenance of Baha'u'llah. He said to himself, "I know that Baha'u'llah is the supreme manifestation of God, but I wish he would give me a sign to this effect." At that same instant, the following verse from the Quran flashed in Varqá's mind. "Thou seest the earth barren and lifeless. When we pour down rain on it, it is stirred to life. It swells and it puts forth every kind of luxuriant growth in pairs." In that very moment, he wished in his heart that Baha'u'llah might repeat this verse to fulfill the sign he was looking for. After some time, in the course of his utterances, Baha'u'llah recited that same verse from the Quran. Varqá's wish was fulfilled, but he said to himself, could this have been a mere coincidence? As soon as this thought occurred to Varqá, Baha'u'llah turned and said to him abruptly, "Was this not a sufficient proof for you?" Varqá was dumbfounded. He was shaken but assured in his heart of the truth of these words of Baha'u'llah. O heedless ones, think not the secrets of the hearts are hidden away. Nay, know ye of a certainty that in clear characters they are engraved and are openly manifest in the holy presence. What a shock Varqá must have had when his inner thoughts were manifested and laid bare before him. You see, nothing is hidden from God and his manifestations, not our doubts, not our actions, not our intentions. Some may feel an anxious uneasiness at the thought of the inability to hide anything from God. However, if anything, this is actually a source of hope and relief. This means that God and his manifestations truly understand the struggles we face and are able to perfectly view things from our perspective. They are able to empathize with us and administer the remedies we require to overcome our challenges and insecurities. With this in mind, let us confidently reach out to our Heavenly Father with the knowledge that He understands and accepts us. Though He knows our thoughts, we still need to make the deliberate effort to reach out in faith. For though a gift may be presented to us, we only receive it by reaching out and taking it.